Do you struggle with choosing a foundation that suits your skin tone? This is why today I will show you how you can pick the right foundation for your skin type and how to apply foundation correctly. Step 1. Cleanser. Apply a gentle cleanser on your face. Make sure you don't rub your face harshly. Now, take a soft towel and gently cleanse your face. Step 2. Moisturizer. Since I have combination skin, I always make sure to apply my moisturizer after washing my face thoroughly. I will gently apply it all over my face and neck. Step 3. Understand your skin type. So guys, there are basically 4 skin types: dry, oily, combination and sensitive. For oily skin, use a oil-free foundation or a powder-based foundation. For dry skin, use a liquid or a stick foundation. And for combination skin, you should try mixing and matching formulas and avoid foundations that are oil-rich. For sensitive skin, avoid ingredients like alcohol and fragrance as they can irritate your skin. Step 4. How to match the shade to your skin tone. Now that we have figured out the skin type, it's time to select a foundation that matches the skin tone. Now, your neck and jawline are the best places to test whether a foundation is a match for your skin. Now I'll apply 2 shades of foundation. The right shade will easily blend into your skin color. If it's leaving a whitish cast on your skin or if it's making you look darker, then it's the wrong shade. Don't be afraid to mix 2 different colors for summer and winter. This also works because your skin tone will vary through the year and also vary in different areas of your face. Step 5. Identify your undertone. There is one more way to check this out. Look at the color of your veins, and if they appear more purple or bluish, you are cool toned. But if your veins appear greenish, you are warm toned. Step 6. Choose your coverage. If you're looking for a daily foundation, go in for a light-based coverage. If you're looking for an event-based foundation, go in for a full-based coverage. If you want your foundation to be of light coverage, mix it with your moisturizer. Step 7. How to apply foundation. I'll apply foundation on one side of my face to see the difference. I am here using this sponge for even distribution. I will just gently dab the foundation on my face so it spreads nicely. I will just use the setting spray on the large, flat size of my makeup sponge and press it onto my face all over to make it look natural and hydrated. I hope this really helped you to pick the right foundation for you. Step 1. Cleanser. Step 2. Moisturizer. Step 3. Understand your skin type. Step 4. How to match the shade to your skin tone. Step 5. Identify your undertone. Step 6. Choose your coverage. Step 7. How to apply foundation. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.